Brad nailers are highly versatile power tools that use both staples and nails to work on different kinds of surfaces like upholstery and wood. Usually, these nail guns shoot tiny 18-gauge finished nails that won't leave any visible trace of their existence after they sink into the material. There are many products available to choose from best Brad nailer, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best Brad nailer from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Metabo HPT NT50AE2 Brad nailer. Metabo HPT stands for Metabo Hitachi Power Tools, which mainly makes high-end and heavy-duty power tools. Although, its Brad nailer can be a great option for consumers as well. Metabo HPT's NT50AE2 Brad nailer is one of the best value for money options out there. It offers excellent performance to the user because of its inch to 2-inch long length support range. Just like most other Brad nailers out there, you can use it with 18-gauge nails without any issue. Another great thing about this Brad nailer is that it offers a 5-year-long warranty. You also get excellent build quality with it, which means that it can easily last for a long time. It even includes a carrying case so that you can safely transport it from one place to another. Number 2. Porter PCC 790LA Brad nailer. Porter Cable is mainly known for making electric and battery-powered tools. As a result, its Brad nailer is also powered by a battery for portable usage. The Porter Cable PCC 790LA is one of the best options in this article if you are looking for a battery-powered one. It is powered by a powerful 20-volt battery that also offers a decent battery life. You can use this battery to drive inch to 2-inch long nails, which is the same as other pneumatic options out there. Another great thing about this nailer is that you get a 3-year-long warranty with it. Apart from offering great build quality, this Brad nailer is quite small and lightweight. This makes it a great option for portable and on-the-go usage, thanks to the battery system. Number 3. Ryobi P320 Brad nailer. Ryobi is another popular brand if you are looking for battery-powered electric power tools. It even makes a great Brad nailer that is powered by battery. Ryobi's P320 Brad nailer is one of the cheapest options out there when it comes to battery-powered Brad nailers. While it only has an 18-volt battery system, the performance is quite decent for the price. You can easily drive 1/2 inch to 1 3/16 inch long nails using it without any issues. These nails can be of 18-gauge rating while using this Brad nailer. One of the best things about this Ryobi Brad nailer is that you get a 3-year-long warranty with it, which is much better than other affordable options out there. Although, the build quality could have been on the better side. Number 4. Craftsman CMCN 618C1 Brad nailer. Craftsman is one of the oldest power tools brands out there that makes all kinds of options for its users. Its Brad nailer mentioned here is another battery-powered option. The Craftsman CMCN 618C1 Brad nailer is powered by a 20-volt battery system, as you can tell by its name. This means that this 18-gauge Brad nailer can be a great pick for portable usage. To further make it ideal for portable usage, you get a small and compact form factor with this Brad nailer that is also lightweight. It uses 1 inch to 2-inch long nails. The build quality of this Brad nailer leaves the user expecting more. And the 1-year warranty does not help the user either. Thankfully, this Brad nailer comes with a battery and charger so that you can start using it right away. Number 5. Dewalt DCN 680B Brad nailer. Dewalt is one of the oldest and most reputable brands of power tools when it comes to battery-powered options. Hence, its Brad nailer is also quite good for the given price. Dewalt's DCN 680B Brad nailer is a battery-powered model that is powered by a 20-volt battery system just per its name. This battery system offers you great performance and allows you to easily drive 18-gauge nails on almost any surface or object. As for the nail length, you can use 1 inch to 2 1/2 inch long nails with this Brad nailer. Since Dewalt is a reputable brand of power tools, you get a 3-year-long warranty with its Brad nailer offering. And when combined with its great build, you can expect it to last for a long time. Unfortunately, you do not get any battery or charger included with this Brad nailer. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.